Hello and welcome to Station 5, Parallel and Perpendicular Lines. So what you're going to want to do is fill out the Station 5 paper. There's 4 problems on this station. We're going to do one problem together so you'll have 3 to work on your own. So just some things to remember. The slopes, if you are told that they are parallel to one another, that means that they are the same slope. So if my slope is 2, for one, a line parallel would be 2. The slopes that are perpendicular are opposite reciprocal. What does that mean again? So 1/2 would be a slope. If I find the perpendicular slope, I'm going to flip my fraction and change it to a negative. So flip, negative. That's what that means. Opposite reciprocal. So let's try a problem. This is number 21 on your paper. You need to find the line that is perpendicular to f of x equals negative 4x plus 2 and goes through the point negative 4, negative 3. So first things first, we're going to use this equation and steal the slope that they gave us, which is negative 4. So my slope is negative 4 right now, but I want a line that's perpendicular to that, right here, perpendicular. So we need to flip that. So this is 4 over 1, so I'm going to flip it to 1 over 4, and then I'm going to change my sign. So it was negative, it's now going to be positive. So my slope is going to be 1/4. So now this, remember, is gone. We don't even care about this equation now. We're done with it. Done, 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 done. So now what I get to do is write the equation of the line with 1/4 and negative 4, negative 3. So let's write it. F of x equals 1/4, that's my slope. Now remember, guys, you're going to put the x values in the parentheses because we're going to use our translated form. So remember, the x value is opposite, so it's going to be x plus 4, right? And then minus 3 because the y value is going to be the same. Let's get it into y equals form. So let's get it to y equals mx plus b. So I'm going to have 1/4 times x and 1/4 times 4. Well, 1/4 times x is 1/4 x, right? 1/4 times 4 is 1. And then we still have that negative 3 hanging out in the back. Well, I can make that 1/4 x. Let's combine. 1 and negative 3 is a negative 2. That's the equation of my line that's perpendicular to negative 4x plus 2. And it goes through the point negative 4, negative 3. Now what I'd like you to do is complete the last 3 problems on this station. When you get done with that as a group, you're going to want to open the folder that's on your desks area and check your answers. If you have any problems, call me over. See you later, Sabres.